The importance of plants cannot be overstated. We rely on them for the food we eat and the air we breathe. As we are forced to confront the reality of climate change, many people are asking, can plants save us? Dr. Joanne Corey believes they can, and after watching her TED Talk and following up with some research of my own, I've come to agree. Dr. Joanne Corey is the head plant geneticist at the Salk Institute for Biological Sciences, and she's had an ingenious idea that we can reduce carbon levels in the atmosphere while simultaneously preventing soil degradation. The key to this idea is found in a molecule usually found in plant roots called suberin. Suberin has high concentrations of carbon and is not biodegradable. So Corey's team has three goals in mind: to produce plants that make more suberin in their roots, for these roots to have more mass, and for the roots to run deeper. This carbon infusion will do wonders for the soil, as carbon is the most vital component of soil fertility and has been a growing problem globally. So in this way, her team has solved two problems at once, and they have plans to have seed variants for all major crops within the next 10 years. However, there are challenges. Many parts of the world, including most of Europe and Africa, have banned all GMOs. Also, farmers aren't necessarily educated on the science of GMOs or the importance of carbon in soil fertility. Lastly, there's no real incentive for these farmers to switch to carbon sequestering crops. However, fortunately, people can be taught, people can be motivated, and people can be influenced. A report by the USDA has found that offering financial incentive to these farmers would have dramatic results. Also, the Harvard Center for Environmental Research has found that when countries have educational outreach programs for their farmers, those farmers have better techniques and better outcomes. So if enough people learn and work together, we can influence the parts of the world that don't see the value of GMOs to change their minds and their policies. As Corey herself has said in her interview with Bloomberg Green, we know the Earth has the capacity to suck up more CO2 and bury it in the soil. The infrastructure is already all there. All we have to do is convince farmers to plant our seeds. As an environmental scientist, I'm very excited about this. Even though people find the topic scary, I like to approach it with a sense of hope.